Hello friends, today we're going to see understanding basic data types in MySQL tables. Core concept of MySQL data types. We will see importance of data types, category of data types, practical table examples, benefit of correct choices. What is a data type in MySQL? Data types define the kind of value each MySQL table column can store, such as numbers, text, or dates. MySQL uses data types to validate data and organize storage efficiently, preventing invalid entries in columns. MySQL groups data types into numeric, string, date and time, and special categories for appropriate data handling. Choosing correct data types is essential in SQL table to ensure data integrity and efficient queries. Why choosing the right data type matters. Correct data type helps enforce valid data entry and maintain overall data integrity in databases. Choosing smaller, appropriate data type reduces storage usage and improves memory efficiency significantly. Proper data types improve indexing and speed up query processing for large datasets. Correct data types make SQL queries easier to write, understand, and maintain over time. We have integer data type, we have floating point types, we have exact decimal type. For integer, we usually use int, and you also use big int, small int, and tiny int. And the floating point type, we use float and doubles to store approximate decimal values. And for exact decimal, we use decimal to store exact decimal values. So choosing the right numeric type optimizes dataset performance and storage, especially for large tables with many rows. We have also variable length text storage, which is VARCHAR, and we have fixed length text storage, which is char to store fixed length text, and we have text to store longer text content such as paragraph, comment, or articles in MySQL. Character set and correction define how text is stored and compiled, supporting language rules. We have also date data type to store date in format of year, month, and day. Also, we have time data type to store time values such as hour, minutes, and seconds. And we have date time and timestamp to store precise timestamp. Proper date and time types enable calculation, comparison, and reduce error compared to strings. We have also BOOLEAN representation. In MySQL, BOOLEAN is stored as tiny int, where 1 means true and 0 means false. BOOLEAN columns simplify filtering with conditions like where is active, which is equal to 1, to check status. Using BOOLEAN values in a table improves clarity and simplifies application logic handling binary states. So how do we create table with data type? Creating table involving defining columns with specific data type to store appropriate data. For example, a student table may include int for ID, varchar for name, int for age, and BOOLEAN for an element. Using correct data type improves clarity, enforce data rules, and facilitate collaboration. Practicing table creation with example builds confidence and applies theory to real-world applications. There is some common mistake when choosing data types. Selecting inappropriate data type, like storing numeric values as text, causes calculations and sorting issues. Misjudging string length limit will result in data truncation or wasted storage resources. Choosing generic data types without considering future application needs lead to redesign challenges. Now, as a summary and key takeaways, data types ensure data accuracy, performance, and maintainability in MySQL databases. Numeric, string, dated time, and Boolean types handle various forms of data efficiently. Selecting appropriate data types leads to efficient storage, faster queries, and cleaner logic. Mastery of data types is essential for building reliable and scalable database applications. Now, this is how we choose data type when creating MySQL tables. Thank you for watching. See you next time.